February 18th, and we have just checked out the cabin, and it's pretty exciting because the flooring is in everywhere now, including the tile in the bathrooms and the wood flooring. And it was hard to see the wood flooring though because it's covered up. And then most of the tile, except for the tile backsplash, has been installed in the bathroom, and that's looking really good, really exciting. And they started to install the light fixtures, so it's starting to look totally different now, and it's definitely lighter and brighter now that it's been painted, and it's pretty exciting. So are you excited, Clément?
Chelsea.
I guess he's not excited, but I am. I feel optimistic about things. So you like it?
Yeah, actually.
Isn't that cool?
I'm wondering if flooring like this would be.
Well, that wouldn't be modern at all. And that's tile. That's not floor. I mean, that's not wood. Isn't that cool? Because it looks like it's wood and it looks really rustic. But it's ceramic tile. And the bathtub's going to go right in front of it, a white modern bathtub. And then the vanity, the antique vanity that I had in the garage is going to go here. We could do it. Oh yeah. So the flooring is done everywhere. And that's what it looks like. It looks pretty good. It's got the dark spots in it. Yeah, you picked it out too. And everything's done. Oh look, this light fixture's on. In.
Oh wow.
Industrial, rustic. Hard to see in this light.
Oh, look, now we can. Maybe we can spy on the neighbors.
Oh, and the fans, the ceiling fan is up and light. And the cam lights. So we have lights.
So should they work?
Do they work? That is the question. Yes. Maybe we have a remote control. Oh, the fan light control might be going over here to the left. See, right here, Clément? Maybe? No, no. Oh, yep. More lights. We have lights! I think? Oh yeah, there's the heater.
Oh, you want here,
Yeah. It makes more sense for it to be down here. Aha! Light! Look at that!
like outdoor bed. You look past.
No, it wouldn't.
Well, I'm not sure it's beautiful because it will be very good place.
Double check the floor plan to be sure. So it's going to be light rock that's on the fireplace wall. So yeah, definitely feeling much lighter now with all those cam lights. And then there's going to be a fan light going up here that'll look pretty cool. In fact, I think this is it right here. Oh, no, that's one does not have a fan in it. Oops, I should have done that. That was the first one I picked out. So now you get an idea of what the fireplace is going to look like. And I'm excited about having a lighter colored stone on it. The bunk room is starting to look more like a bunk room. There's an outlet for each bunk. And then there's a little bit of a raise in the ceiling here. With the room for a light fixture and a light fixture up in there. Just put in the middle of the room. So I went for a pretty large window right here to take advantage of getting light in as much as possible. And then that's the entryway, and there's the front door. And the front door matches pretty well with the flooring color. So that's a good thing because I didn't double check it. I was just going by visual memory. So I'm happy to see that.